Hi guys, today I want to show you how to use Layout app to put the different photos together in a layout and then share it in Instagram, for example. Select the layout, then scroll to your gallery, or you can change the gallery to whatever you want. And then, for example, you come to this section where you're happy with the photos that are there. Select the ones that you like. You select one, it can already create a layout from even one photo, as you can see. But if you add another one, then gives you different option then. And if you add, for example, another one, so we got 3 doors, then you can scroll this down so that you can see the layout better, and then change between different layouts and see which one you really like the most. Just keep scrolling different options. After examining all the options, I kind of have a feeling, let's say this one looks nice. You select that. You can do different things here. For example, move it, zoom it in or out, and move it and adjust it. And then you can even mirror it. For example, this now is mirrored, looks opposite direction to the other ones, which makes it look good. So you can select any one of them, scroll one or up or down, make them bigger or smaller. In different ways you can play with them to achieve what you want. There is a flip, you can have borders like this. Once you're happy with your edit, which I've done very quickly in this demonstration, just click on the save. So before pressing done, you can just share it by saying Instagram or Facebook. You can choose between feed or story. Let's say just feed. Here it is. Do what you do usually in Facebook, and obviously you can click just next and write, for example, using layout, and then click on share. As you can see, the layout is shared. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and learn how to use layout and how to post that layout then after you organize the photos together into Instagram. Thanks for watching again. Please don't forget to click any of these videos on the screen and watch more videos from my channel to learn more about Instagram, different applications and more.